Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers. 2026 is here, and the world of motorcycles has never been more thrilling. From hyperbikes to track monsters, we've rounded up the top 5 bikes of 2026 that push speed, power, and design to the absolute limit. Like the thrill? Hit that subscribe button and let's ride. Number 5 is the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is a true masterpiece of Italian engineering. Its 1100cc V4 engine produces a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower, giving riders lightning-fast acceleration and unmatched performance on both the track and the road. The lightweight frame and race-inspired chassis make cornering feel effortless, while the advanced Öhlins suspension keeps every ride stable, even at high speeds. What really sets the RSV4 apart is its technology, with ride-by-wire throttle, cornering, ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes. It's a bike that adapts to your style, whether you're pushing it to the limit on a track or cruising through twisty mountain roads. The electronics work seamlessly with the engine, making sure that every bit of power is delivered smoothly and precisely. The design is aggressive and aerodynamic, with every curve and vent crafted to reduce drag and enhance stability. Its carbon fiber panels, sharp lines, and winglets aren't just for looks. They improve downforce and make the bike feel planted even at high speeds. The RSV4 1100 Factory isn't just fast. It's engineered to be precise, giving riders the confidence to tackle corners at full throttle. Riding the RSV4 is an experience that goes beyond numbers. The torque from the V4 engine hits instantly. The exhaust note roars like a race bike. And the feedback from the handlebars and suspension makes you feel completely connected to the machine. Every twist of the throttle, every lean into a corner, delivers a thrilling rush of adrenaline. From its refined electronics to its lightweight engineering and striking Italian design, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is a bike that rewards skill, precision, and courage. It's not just a superbike. It's a statement of what modern motorcycles can achieve. For anyone who loves speed, control, and pure excitement, this bike is an unforgettable ride, combining raw power with advanced technology to create a machine. That's as thrilling to ride as it is beautiful to behold. Number 4 is the Yamaha YZF-R1M is a true MotoGP-inspired superbike built for precision and performance. Its 998cc inline-4 engine delivers 200 horsepower with a cross-plane crankshaft, giving it an incredibly smooth torque curve and lightning-fast throttle response. Every gear feels connected, making acceleration explosive yet controllable, whether you're blasting down a straight or carving through tight corners. The R1M isn't just about raw power, it's designed for riders who crave control. Its lightweight chassis and race-tuned suspension allow for razor-sharp handling, while the aerodynamic bodywork keeps the bike stable at high speeds. Öhlins electronic suspension, traction control, quick shifter, and multiple riding modes ensure that every ride is perfectly tuned to the conditions, whether on the track or the street. The technology on the R1M is where it truly shines. Cornering, ABS, slide control, wheelie control, and ride-by-wire throttle work together seamlessly to make riding safer and more exhilarating. Every input you make, throttle, brake, or lean, is instantly translated into precise motion, giving you confidence even when pushing the bike to its limits. Its design is aggressive and purposeful, with sharp lines, aerodynamic wings, and lightweight, materials that reduce drag while improving stability. The cockpit is fully digital, providing real-time data on speed, lean angle, gear position, and performance metrics, making it easy to track and refine your riding. Riding the YZF-R1M is an experience that blends excitement with control. The engine's roar, the feel of the suspension, and the responsiveness of the electronics combine to make every ride unforgettable. It's a superbike that rewards skill and precision, giving riders the ultimate connection between man and machine. 4. Anyone who loves speed, technology, and that authentic MotoGP-inspired thrill, the Yamaha YZF-R1M, is a dream come true. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a machine that transforms every road or track into an arena of excitement, delivering a ride that is both thrilling and perfectly refined. Number 3 is the Ducati Panagale V4, a superbike that perfectly blends Italian design with extreme performance. Its 1103cc Desmo16 V4 engine produces a staggering 214 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that thrills at every twist of the throttle. The power is balanced with precision, allowing riders to push hard through corners and feel in complete control at high speeds. The Panigale V4 is built for the track, but feels exhilarating on the road as well. Its lightweight aluminum frame, combined with aerodynamic wings, keeps the bike planted and stable even when leaning aggressively into turns. Every detail of the chassis and suspension has been engineered to provide a smooth yet responsive ride, giving riders confidence when tackling sharp bends or open straights. Ducati's electronics suite takes the Panigale V4 to the next level. It comes with traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and multiple riding modes, allowing the bike to adapt to any environment or riding style. The advanced Brembo brakes provide razor-sharp stopping power, while the fully digital display keeps you informed about speed, gear position, and lean angle in real time. Every system works together to make high-speed performance safe, precise, and incredibly thrilling. The design of the Panigale V4 is unmistakably Italian, with aerodynamic lines that aren't just for aesthetics. They reduce drag and increase downforce, improving stability at extreme speeds. The exhaust note is aggressive and intoxicating, adding to the overall sensory experience of riding this machine. Riding the Ducati Panigale V4 is an experience that goes beyond numbers and specs. It's about the feeling of being fully connected to a machine that responds instantly to every input. The acceleration, handling, and feedback combine to create an adrenaline-fueled ride that challenges and excites any rider. For those who seek speed, precision, and a pure connection between rider and bike, the Panigale V4 is an unforgettable masterpiece of engineering and design. Number 2 is the BMW M1000RR, a track-focused superbike that blends raw power with unmatched precision. Its 999cc inline-4 engine produces 212 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that's both thrilling and controllable. The lightweight M performance chassis, combined with advanced suspension, makes cornering sharp and precise, allowing riders to push the bike to its limits with confidence. Every detail of the M1000RR is engineered for performance. The carbon fiber components reduce weight while improving stability, and the aerodynamic winglets generate downforce at high speeds. This ensures that whether you're blasting down a straight or leaning into a tight corner, the bike feels planted and responsive. The electronics on the BMW M1000RR are state-of-the-art. Dynamic traction control, launch control, ABS Pro, and multiple riding modes work seamlessly to adapt to your riding style and conditions. The ride-by-wire throttle provides instant feedback, while the digital display shows gear position, speed, lean angle, and other essential metrics, keeping you fully informed at all times. Riding the M1000RR is an experience that rewards skill and precision. The engine responds instantly to every twist of the throttle, the suspension absorbs bumps without sacrificing stability, and the brakes deliver razor-sharp stopping power. Every element of this bike is designed to enhance control, making high-speed riding feel effortless and exhilarating. The design is aggressive and purposeful, with sharp lines, a low stance, and track-inspired styling that reflects its racing DNA. The exhaust note is deep and commanding, adding to the sensory thrill of riding this superbike. For those who seek speed, precision, and the ultimate connection between rider and machine, the BMW M1000RR is a dream come true. It's not just a bike, it's a precision-engineered powerhouse that delivers an unforgettable ride every time. Number 1 is the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a hyperbike that redefines what a motorcycle can do. Its 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine produces a mind-blowing 326 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that feels like controlling a rocket on 2 wheels. Every twist of the throttle launches you forward with incredible force, and the bike's advanced engineering keeps it stable even at extreme speeds, making it the ultimate track-only adrenaline machine. The design of the H2R is as extreme as its performance. Carbon fiber body panels, aerodynamic winglets, and sharp, aggressive lines aren't just for show. They provide downforce and reduce drag, keeping the bike planted and controllable at insane velocities. Every detail, from the front fairing to the tail section, has been optimized for speed and efficiency, reflecting Kawasaki's dedication to engineering perfection. Technology plays a huge role in taming the H2R's raw power. Advanced traction, control, cornering ABS, launch control, and ride-by-wire throttle ensure that the massive output is manageable and precise. The digital dashboard gives real-time feedback on speed, gear position, and performance metrics, keeping the rider fully informed while pushing the limits of what this bike can do. Riding the Ninja H2R is an experience unlike any other. The supercharged engine delivers an immediate surge of torque. The suspension keeps the bike stable through every turn, and the brakes respond with surgical precision. Every acceleration, every lean into a corner, and every shift of gears is a thrilling rush of adrenaline, making it feel like the rider and the machine are one. For those who crave extreme speed, precision, and a ride that's completely unlike anything else on the planet, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R stands unmatched. It's not just a superbike. It's the ultimate expression of power, technology, and pure riding excitement, a machine built to dominate tracks and hearts alike. So there you have it, the top 5 bikes of 2026. Each one offers a unique ride, but all of them push the limits of speed, technology, and design. Which one would you take for a spin? Comment below and let us know.